Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have beautiful summer cards for you, two really cute card making kits. So let's get started. Today I have two wonderful new card making kits for you, and these kits have everything you need to make beautiful cards. So we have the Summer Shores and we have the Forever Pals. I made cards with the Summer Shores, so I'm going to show this to you when I share my cards. But so you know what is in each pack, you have a pack of, to start you off with 5 card blanks in different colors, and these colors match the pack beautifully. Let's see if they come out here. There we go. So we have five card blanks, and the good thing is they are white inside. Beautiful colors. You have the matching envelopes. You get a sheet of foam pads, 3D foam pads, and then you also get a little bag of sequins to embellish your cards. Then inside the pack you have die cut sheets, and look how gorgeous they are, and all you do is you pop them out, and he's got these beautiful summery designs. Look at this scooter, so cute. And you have borders and round die cuts, beautiful toppers. You also get corners, you have sentiments, you got frames, everything you would possibly need to make gorgeous cards. Here we have more. So you may remember we had a similar pack for Easter, and all these die cuts, and there is more. The other pack will be just like it. So several die cuts, and then you also have papers. And look at these gorgeous background papers. So you have 8 pieces of background papers, 8 sheets of die cuts. You got the 6 cards and envelopes, the foam pads, and the sequins. Now let's see what you can make with this. So for my projects today, I used the Summer Shores card making kit. You also have these cards in here, and then you have die cuts and beautiful papers, and you will see them throughout my projects. The difference with this pack is that you do have sentiment die cuts in here. So you have 2 sheets of nothing but sentiments, but you also have gorgeous other toppers and die cuts. So 8 sheets of die cuts, 8 sheets of paper. And let's see what I have created. So I created this little gift folder here, and when you open it up, you have the cards in here. And I think what we're just going to explain really quick how I made this folder, because it is very simple. And there are plenty of videos that show this type of folder. So basically what I did is I just used one of the designer papers in there. I folded up the bottom by about 1.5 inches. And then what I did is I scored the middle twice. So you can see that I have a score line, 2 score lines. So it makes it a little bit more open for the inside, because it will be bulky. Now, of course, if you only do 1 score line, then your folder looks like that, and that it's good enough if you put a couple of cards in there. But I have 3 cards and 3 envelopes on both sides. So what I did is I scored it twice in the middle, and now I have this basically extended folder. Then what I have done, I just cut off both sides here from, I folded this up. I cut where this double folding score line is. I cut it off. took out this little piece, and then I just added glue to the end. So it is open here, but it is glued to the end. What I have also done is I added 2 pieces of extra paper to give that whole thing a little bit more stability. And just added it in here, and you can see it now. Now to close this little folder, what I have done here is I just used a strip of paper and I doubled it up so it's a little bit more sturdy. This is a 2-inch strip because I have this tag die, this tag punch that punches this type of a tag top, and I punched it on both sides, right? Again, I did this double score line here so that it basically fits the width of this chunky folder. And then what I did is I closed it up with a Velcro double-sided, these come adhesive. So I can, so you can see you needed it a little bit sturdier, because if you opened it 3-4 times, that would basically rip. So I have, and you can see I need to probably put a little bit more glue here, but this is how sturdy it is. Now inside, what I have done is I created the cards and the envelopes. So of course there are the envelopes that go back in here, and then I made 6 cards, and all of my cards are top folded. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so here are my first 3 cards. So what you can see, these are double-sided. I use double-sided cardstock. Added a panel like I always do. This again is a top folded card. And then all I did is I added a piece of the designer paper, one of the die cuts, a sentiment, and a couple of these sequins to just put a little bit of bling on there. So Life is Beautiful comes from this paper pack. I just used my paint pen to outline it a little bit, and here it is. And I used foam pads to bring up this die cut off the page. This was a very quick and simple, very quick project, and now I have a gift, and I already know who am I going to give it to. This will be a birthday gift. So I like that these toppers also have sentiments. Here I cut out from the papers this little seahorse. Again, just a little bit of 2 different papers from the pack, and then of course the die cut. So you collage it together. Look at this gorgeous paper for my friend, and there we go. And then I have 3 more cards. So very tropical, very summery, but I think they make a beautiful birthday gift or a hostess gift, because these cards anybody can use. Wishing you a glorious birthday. The only other thing is, see how these gold border stickers kind of look beautiful with this paper pack. Didn't even use stickles or anything on it, just the sequins. I don't know, the one that will get, my friend who will get this little package, I don't know who she's going to sending it to. Not everybody likes glitter. Here I added one of our doilies that I have introduced several times now. These beautiful laser cut doilies. I will link them below. And another topper. And then there it is. And here there was on one of the die cuts, it had these cute little flip-flops, and I just cut them out. So let me see if I find them for you. So here it is on this sheet. You have this die cut that sits in this circle, but I chose to fuzzy cut out these flip-flops. There is also this beautiful this beautiful pineapple, and then here's the seahorse. So you can use them as the die cut comes, but feel free to cut them out too, because that's what I did here, and I think it's so cute. And on this card I cut out the pineapple to just give it an extra layer. Also added a little bow here to my card. So let's put these cards back in here. Here they sit with their envelopes in this cute folder. Close it up, close it, and now I have this cute present for my friend. Now I hope you liked this project I created for you today. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video with your crafty friends and family. I know you will enjoy these cute card making kits. They have a great value and you can make several cards. I made 6, but you will be able to make probably 30 cards. So let's try them out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.